So in front of me I've got Doom the Dark Ages. In this video I'll show you how to manage HUD settings. In the beginning, from my menu of the game, let's go to settings. Now go to UI, and here you can enable or disable HUD, change face avatar style, enable or disable inputs, reflections, HUD aspect ratio, adjust HUD scale, save zone horizontal spacing and vertical spacing. You can enable or disable high contrast mode, threat detector, objective marker style, and that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.